Hey there! So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to leverage a really basic strategy on YouTube that can potentially make you a ton of money using material that's sitting right under your nose. If that sounds good, then let's get right into it. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the channel where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. If this is the kind of content that you're interested in, then please do like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below so I can let you know each time I upload a new video. And with that said, let's start the video. Like I said in the intro, we're going to be talking about a basic YouTube strategy that not a lot of people seem to know about yet. And yet, this will allow you to create viral content on your channel using what already works. Before I show you how to do this, let's first define this big important term called Creative Commons. According to Wikipedia, a Creative Commons license is one of several public copyright licenses that enables the free distribution of an otherwise copyrighted work. Basically, the Creative Commons license allows you to use someone else's video without their permission, just as long as you change it up and don't use it 100% that it was used in the original video. I think you're getting the picture. Of course, this does not mean that you should go and plagiarize, not at all. Instead, the idea here is to take inspiration from other channels and videos that are blowing up and create viral videos of your own around them. And this, my friends, is gold. I know you're probably wondering, is this possible? Is this true? Well, it is, because if you check YouTube right now, go ahead and open another tab and try to type something on the search bar, let's say Tesla. You'll notice that when you hit enter and all the videos appear, you can actually filter these by clicking on this button over here to find out all of those that have a Creative Commons license. Yep, it's crazy how that filter option has always been there, but not a lot of people seem to know about it. An example of a really successful channel that's doing this is Watch Mojo. If you take a look at their channel, you see that they're a top 10 everything channel, and just by reusing and creating their own spin on videos that they don't even own, using the help of the Creative Commons license, they're able to monetize these videos on their channel. On Social Blade, you see that besides having 24 million subscribers, Watch Mojo also has close to 15 billion views in total, and they receive anywhere between 17,000 to 275 Gs each month. Not too bad for creating content with videos that you don't even have to shoot yourself, right? So now that you know all about that and are excited about the potential, then let's get to talking about how you can create a channel that can potentially make you a ton of money. The first thing you'll need to do would be to search for popular YouTube videos. I would suggest that you go with something that you're interested in so that it's also fun for you, and also because you might know what's trending in a certain niche. So yeah, whatever niche, you'll be able to find something that's gone viral, that's receiving a ton of engagements, likes, comments, shares, and something with millions of views. If you need help with that, some channel ideas that I think will work really well for this strategy are sports highlights. You can simply show the best plays of a certain game. A channel that's doing really well in this niche is called Highlight Haven. Some of their videos get close to 1 million views in just 2 days. And they also have close to 2 million subscribers on their channel by simply showcasing highlights of plays from American football. There's also another channel doing this. It's called Highlight Reel. It essentially does the same thing, but it features all kinds of different sports. Another channel idea would be video game plays and highlights. Some of the videos on YouTube that are getting the most views are actually in the gaming niche, and this is because gamers or just people who enjoy games in general get really into them, so a ton of money can be made here. Just look at iFooder with over 1 million subscribers and 270 million channel views. or even Mobile Legends Cinema with 1.1 million subscribers and close to 150 million views. If you like, you can even go the Watch Mojo route and create a top 10 channel, because if you search on YouTube, you'll see that it's not just Watch Mojo that gets millions of views. Just type in top 5 or top 10 on the YouTube search bar, sort by most popular, and you'll see all these random videos that have gotten and continue to get an insane number of views. See here, there's this video called Top 5 Scary Ghost Videos to Spook Ya. It's only a few weeks old, but it's already gotten 1.5 million views. There's also this other one that leverages the popular Netflix show Squid Game, and it's called Top 5 Squid Game Memes. Again, this video is less than a week old, but it's already gotten 1.5 million views. It's insane. Another thing you can do is put top 5 or top 10 or whatever together with sports highlights or video gameplays, and that should do really well too. Okay, so once you're done with that, you can go on and create your own version of the video. And to do this, you'll simply need to pay close attention to the peg that you've selected and see how you can replicate what's made it so popular. You can do a similar video format, a similar title, similar thumbnail, and just put your own spin, your own supers, and just basically remix whatever's there. So hey, if you're enjoying the video so far, sending you a quick reminder to please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below. This does help with YouTube's algorithm and will allow us to help more people make money online. And with that said, the last thing you need to do to get this whole channel running would be to understand that copyright strikes can still come, but you can try to protect your channel and content by downloading videos with a Creative Commons license and making sure that when you do use someone else's material, you give it a spin so that it changes or upgrades the video in some way. To give you an idea, there are a ton of other channels that do this and earn big bucks from it. And how they do it is by muting parts of the video, by resizing the videos, by speeding up the videos by up to 25%, or even by putting simple borders around them to make them fair use. Of course, I am by no means a lawyer and this is not legal advice, but if all that's stopping you from creating a channel is your worry that copyright claims may be filed against you, well, I'm here to tell you that there are a ton of channels reusing videos and content and are able to get monetized and earn big bucks because they've found a way around them, and you can do that too. I hope you got inspiration from today's video. If you did, then do get started on this right now, because tomorrow you will only wish that you had started sooner. If you found any value in today's video, then please don't forget to give us a like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below because it really supports the channel. We'll leave links to our other videos so you can watch them right after this one. Do let us know what you want to see next, and we'll be happy to work on those for you. Alrighty then, that's it for today. Take care, and signing off until the next one. Bye-bye.